1965. Pakistan's failed Kashmir offensive, a defeat in history. Turning point of the 1965 war. The significance of Asal Uttar. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 witnessed one of the most decisive and defining battles in South Asian military history, the Battle of Asal Uttar, fought from the 8th to the 10th of September 1965. This clash not only shattered Pakistan's ambitions in Kashmir but also demonstrated the resilience, strategy, and tactical brilliance of the Indian Army. Pakistan had launched Operation Gibraltar, an ill-conceived plan to infiltrate forces into Jammu and Kashmir with the hope of sparking an uprising. When the operation faltered, Pakistan escalated by launching a massive armored offensive towards Khem Karan in Punjab. Initially, Pakistani forces managed to capture the town, but their momentum soon crumbled under India's meticulously prepared defense. Indian forces, led by outstanding leadership and operational foresight, set up a horseshoe-shaped defensive position around Asal Uttar. Exploiting the swampy terrain after the area was deliberately flooded, Indian troops trapped Pakistan's armored columns. In a matter of days, Pakistan suffered one of the greatest tank defeats in modern warfare, over 100 tanks destroyed and more than 40 captured, including the much-wanted Patton tanks. This crushing setback marked a turning point in the war, halting Pakistan's advance and reversing the momentum decisively in India's favor. The myth of Pakistani military superiority collapsed, and the Battle of Asal Uttar became a symbol of India's strategic ingenuity and unyielding spirit. Objectives of remembering Asal Uttar: to expose Pakistan's over-reliance on flawed strategies and proxy warfare, to highlight India's military resilience, superior tactics, and ability to adapt to terrain, to commemorate the bravery of Indian soldiers who turned adversity into triumph, to reshape the narrative of the 1965 war in India's favor, underlining Pakistan's historic defeat. Key takeaways: Pakistan's offensive at Khem Karan ended in complete failure due to India's superior planning. Over 100 Pakistani tanks were destroyed and 40+ captured in swampy terrain. Indian forces demonstrated the effective use of defensive positioning in natural landscape. The defeat at Asal Uttar shattered Pakistan's military confidence. Pakistan's overdependence on armored thrusts failed to achieve strategic objectives. The Battle of Asal Uttar remains etched in history as the battle that broke Pakistan's offensive dream and strengthened India's resolve. It is not just a military victory, it is a reminder of resilience, unity, and the power of strategy over brute force. Hashtags: #Fail Gibraltar, #Pakistan defeated, #India's victory, #Defeat Asal Uttar, #Pakfailan 1965, #Tank Battle.